Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To insert icons in Word, click the Icons button that appears in the Illustrations button group on the Insert tab of the ribbon to open the Insert Icons window. Then scroll through the list of icons organized by icon groups at the right side of the window. You can also click the name of an icon group at the left side of the window to quickly jump to and display that icon group to the right. Then click or tap to select the icon to insert in this window. You can click to select multiple icons if desired. You can click a selected icon to deselect it if needed. After selecting the desired icon or icons, then click the Insert button in this window to insert them into the document. You can then select the inserted icon or icons to resize and format them as needed, just as you format other types of inserted pictures in Word. Note that when you select an icon in Word, either the Graphics Format contextual tab or the Format tab of the Graphics Tools contextual tab then appears in the ribbon depending on your Office version. You use the buttons that appear within this contextual tab in the same way as you use their counterparts that appear on the Picture Format contextual tab in the ribbon that appears when a picture is selected. There are only a few differences between them. First, you don't have as many options for recoloring the icon. You can only change the icon itself, not its transparent background. That also means that common options like Graphics Fill change the color of the icon itself, not its background. Second, most of the buttons replace the name Picture with Graphic. So for example, the Picture Fill button becomes the Graphic Fill button. Finally, the Convert to Shape button in the Change button group on the Graphics Format contextual tab in the ribbon is a unique button. Clicking this button lets you change the selected icon into a shape. After clicking this button, you must then click the Yes button in the confirmation message box that appears to turn it into a shape. You can then format it as if it were a shape by using the Shape Format contextual tab that appears in the ribbon. We'll discuss using the Shape Format contextual tab in the ribbon later within the lesson titled Formatting Shapes in the Drawing Objects chapter.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.